today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Canva template size using the secret resize feature, which is available for Canva Pro users. Start by opening your design and clicking the resize button at the top of your screen. Canva will suggest common sizes for social media, presentations, or print, but if you need something exact, you can enter custom dimensions. You can type in the width and height and even choose units like pixels, inches, or centimeters. Once your dimensions are set, simply click resize this design and Canva will instantly adjust your template to the new size. It's that simple. This feature is perfect if you want to repurpose your designs for multiple platforms without starting from scratch. With just a few clicks, you can transform any template to fit your needs, saving time and keeping your designs consistent. Happy designing! And don't forget to experiment with different sizes to get the perfect look for every project.